Hello students, this is part 3 on unit 1, that is Digital Documentation Advanced. In this session we will study the topic Create and Use Templates. That will help us to get the deeper understanding regarding how we can save our time and make our document look professional using templates. As per the NCERT book, we will be using OpenOffice Writer for the practical session in the video. Let's check the list of content available in this video. A brief introduction regarding templates, advantages of using templates, creating templates, using predefined templates, and setting a default template. Here we have a brief introduction regarding templates. As the comprehensive explanation is already given there on the screen, let's read that. A template is a model that you can use to create other documents. Templates can contain anything that regular documents can contain, such as text, graphics, set of styles, and other user-specific setup information. You can create a specific template for any document type, that is, for text, spreadsheets, drawings, as well as presentation. Templates can simply be called as a sample document that has already some details in it, which can be edited to create the specific document. Templates even help the user in saving time and efforts while making a professional document. We can either create our own templates or download them online and edit them as per our requirements. Let's now check the advantages of using templates. The first advantage is saves time and efforts. Using templates, the user can make a specific document by investing not much time and performing basic editing. Second, it improves speed. A big reason templates save so much of time is automated formatting. You only need to create a template once. Using that template in the future means you don't have to spend time formatting your document as it is already done for you. Third is consistent and systematic. Templates basically enforce overall consistency by having a predetermined structure and layout. All documents made using a template will match its layout exactly. Fourth is reduction in errors. Templates take time-consuming part of formatting out of the document creation, leaving you free to focus on the quality of your content, thereby making the document error-free. And last is professionalism. Templates bring order to your documents, giving them that sleek professional edge. Now let's study the ways to create templates. There are two ways of creating that. First is from the document and second is using the wizard. So let's check both of the ways of creating templates. Here we are having our OpenOffice Writer. I am having a data that I have saved on clipboard. I am copying it here. It's a kind of template that I want to create here. Let's give it a particular font style. Here this is a kind of format that I have created for certificate, and I want to save it as a template in OpenOffice Writer. So the first method of creating template is, first you need to click on File, and under File option we will get this option Templates. In this template we will get the option Save. Saving a document and saving a template is a different thing. For saving a document, you are saving a file, you are saving a writer file, and the extension for that will be .odt. Whereas if you are saving a template, it is going to be saved as a kind of format that you can reuse again and again to create your own specific document, and the extension for it will be .ott. Let's save a template from here. Now this dialog box will appear on your screen where it will ask you to select the categories. It is obviously not a presentation background or presentation template. Rather, we are creating our own templates using the Word, using the writer. Here we will give it a name. Suppose I am giving it as template 1, and now it is saved. So this is first way of creating template, and you must note one thing, that though I have saved the template using temp1, but the name of the document is still coming as untitled 1 because I haven't saved the document, rather I have saved it as my template that I can use in future. The next thing is, the next way of creating a template is using Wizard, and we can find it from here again by tapping on file option, and under this Wizard we will be getting various types of categories. We can select any of the category. We are even provided with the presentation templates. If you want to create a presentation template, if you want to create the writer templates, any template for a web page or any other. So this is the way of using Wizard. Next is using predefined templates. Now predefined templates are the one which are already created and present in the system. Users can create the templates and save them for future use, or they can even download them online, like we have created the one with the name temp1. Let's check how we can use the templates already that are there in place. So here I have already created a template, and let's check that how we can reuse this template. So I am going to create a new writer. So this is a fresh document that I have opened, and now I want to use the template that I have already saved. How we can open that up and how we can edit it and save it as a document. So again, for that we need to go onto this file menu item. From here we will be selecting this templates option, and here is the option organize. We'll tap this and a dialog box will appear where I have saved, where the categories of the templates are provided. I have saved my template in the category of my templates, and it is coming here temp1, temp1, and here I have opened this. After selecting this from here, move to this commands option and select edit. Here is the template that I have opened, and you people can check that the extension that is given here at the title bar is temp.ott. This is the extension for template. You can edit this template here and whatever name you want to add over here, and after that you need to save this document using this save as option, and now the document will be saved. The specific document will be saved. Next we have setting a default template. If a template is made as default, then each time the writer window opens the same template that appears on the screen, which can be edited to create the specific document. Simply we can say that same editing features are made available every time whenever writer window is opened. We can make any template as default and can reset the default later. Let's check the steps required for this. Let's minimize this. So this is the template that I have opened. Let's close it, and now open a fresh document, and now we will be learning that how we can create any particular template as a default template. So for that we need to go to this file menu item, and under this file menu there is again template option given. We'll be tapping on organize submenu item and this dialog box will appear. From here again we need to select the template that we have already created, and I have created that template in my templates category, and this is the name of the template that I have created. So after I select this, we need to go on this commands option, and from here the last option that is coming up here is set as default template. If I select this and I activate this option, then whenever you will be opening a fresh window of OpenOffice Writer, then the same template will appear there on the screen. Right now I have opened fresh window of Writer, and again it is opening the same template because I have made it as a default. Let's open another fresh window, another fresh Writer window, and again we will get the same template there. So this is how we can make our template default. And if we want to reset the default settings, for that again we need to go on to this file menu item, select this template option, select this organize submenu item, and again the dialog box will appear. From this again select the category where you have saved your template, select the name of the template, and under this command option there is an option that is given here, reset default template. So under this we have again reset the default option, and now we'll try to open our document again and we'll check. It will appear blank here because we haven't selected any default template. That's all from my side, students. Here are some assignment questions for you on part 1, part 2 and 3 all together. Pause the video here and note down the questions. Practice all the features that are studied in this video and read the topics from your NCERT book. Thank you and take care.